Hi everybody, my name is Claudio and I am the project manager for custom formulations in the sales department. I'm originally from Venezuela, where I actually started to be an engineer and also project manager. It's been really amazing to be part of Vox Nutrition and this whole experience. I feel that I've grown a lot, I've learned a lot, and I've had a lot of opportunities to be better and to know the industry even more. Before we dive in, let me tell you a little bit about myself. But my journey at Vox didn't start as a project management. It started as a customer service rep. From there, I started to learn about our customers. I got to engage with them. I learned their story. So that's been really awesome for me. I also was in the compliance team, which really helped me to understand the importance of doing everything right. And after that, I came to be the project manager for custom formulation. My experience at Vox has been really amazing. I could say that I've learned a lot of things in my field. I love working with the people that I work in my department, and I feel that the company overall is a really good place to be part of.